This problem is all about arithmetic progression. So now you're given a problem to find the arithmetic progression if the sum of the third and the seventh term is 38 and the ninth term is 37. Now you can pause this video and try to solve this particular problem. Now let's begin. You have the third term plus the seventh term equal to 38. Now you have the ninth term equal to 37. Now let's use the general arithmetic formula where you have the nth term equal to a plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket close times d. So we're using this formula. So now the third term is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 times d, which is a plus 2d. So this is the third term. So let's call this equation 1. Now the seventh term is same thing as a plus 7 minus 1 times d, which is a plus 6d. So the seventh term is equal to 2. Now let's look for the ninth term. The ninth term, which is equal to a plus bracket open 9 minus 1 times d, which is equal to a plus 8d. So, and this is equal to 37 according to this expression here. Now, so, and we know according to this expression here, the third term, which is here, which is a plus 2d plus the seventh term, which is a plus 6d, is equal to 38. So using the like terms, a plus a is 2a plus 2d plus 6d will give you 8d is equal to 38. So if you divide both sides by 2, so you have here to be, I can decide to leave this like this. Okay, so I will have a, because this cancels out, you have a, this cancels this, you have 4d equal to this cancels this, you have 19. So this will be equation 3. This is equation 3. So this should be equation 4. Now we have gotten this equation 4. Now an equation 3 is equal to a plus 8d equal to 37. Now let's subtract equation 4 from equation 7. So you have a plus 4d equal to 19. Now a, if you now say a minus, now you put minus, now you now say a minus a will give you 0. Say 8d minus 4d will give you 4d. 37 minus 19 will give us 18. Give us 18. Now, if you divide both sides by 4, you have 4 cancel out here. You have d equal to what? D cancels. Okay, 2 cancels 18 is will give you 9. 2 cancels 4 will give you 2. So we have 4 1 all over 2 as the common difference. Now, if you use this common difference, you substitute it into this equation 4. So you were going to have a plus 4 times 9 all over 2, because d is equal to 9 all over 2, which is 4 1 over 2. So equal to 19. So now you will now have a plus, so 4, 2 cancels here, 1, 2 cancels, this is 2. 2 times 9 will give you 18. So a plus 18 is equal to what? 19. So now if you move this 18 to this other side, you have a is equal to what? 19 minus 18. This is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. So since we have gotten a to be equal to 1, so that means the arithmetic progression will be 1, the first term, which is a, 1. The second term will be what? When you add 4, the common difference between 4 and half to this one, you have 5 and half. If you add 4 and half to 5 and half, you have 10. If you add 4 and half to 10, you have 14 and half. You add 14 and half to, if you add 4 and half to 14 and half, you have 19. You add the 4 and half to 19, you have 23 and half. You add 23 and half to, if you have 4 and half to 23 and half, you have 28. If you add 4 and half to 28, you have 32 and half. If you add 4 and half to 32 and half, you have 37. So this is the ninth term. Let's count. So that is the ninth term. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the answer to this particular problem. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that each time I make new videos, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you and have a blessed day.